We're doing the 2017 brake light bulb replace. We're going to take these little notches there, pop this cover up. And we got 2 screws here, either the screwdriver or you could do the 10mm. Get those screws out. Let's see, I'm going to hit it this way while holding my hand here. My other hand I'm going to hit this way and get it out. So that's what I did. Wow, my lens that dirty? My phone lens. Grab the bulb here. Just a little tiny twist. See the little divots there? One side is deeper than the other. You can see the little notches, one side's higher up, and just replace the bulb. And this bulb is a 2357. It says it right here. And let's see which one, so we can get the right side going. Push down. Just a little turn, and there we have it. Put it back in the socket, a little turn, put it back together the way you took it off, you're good to go.